In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive maps in Visme. By the end, you'll know how to find a map template, tailor it to your content, and bring it to life with simple interactions that make your audience want to explore. Start by heading into Visme and using the search bar to look for Interactive Map. This pulls up a variety of ready-made designs you can use as a starting point. If you're working on a specific region, try adding a keyword like World, Europe, or a particular country to narrow the results. Take a moment to preview a few options so you can compare layouts, color schemes, and how labels are handled. Look for a style that fits your use case, whether that's a report, a presentation slide, or a web embed, so you won't need to overhaul the design later. Once you've found one that matches your needs, open it to start editing. Think about the overall canvas size and orientation you're working with. It's easier to pick a template that already matches your format than to resize everything afterward. If the template offers multiple pages or variations, choose the layout that gives your data enough breathing room. Now, customize the regions. Click on a country, state, or province to adjust its fill color and border. Use colors strategically to communicate meaning. One color scale for intensity or categories, and a consistent neutral for anything not in focus. If you have brand colors, apply them to keep the design cohesive. Add text directly on or near each region to provide labels, short descriptions, or key figures. Keep labels concise and readable, and consider adding a simple legend in a corner so viewers understand your color choices at a glance. If you need to display a few data points, small callouts or neatly aligned text boxes work well without cluttering the map. As you customize, zoom in to check alignment and spacing so everything looks polished at full size. With the visuals set, add interactivity to make exploration intuitive. Select a region or label and open the interaction settings. Choose a hover effect to reveal a tooltip or change color when the cursor passes over it, which is great for quick facts. Add links where deeper dives are helpful. Link out to a web page, a document, or another page in your project for details. Keep behaviors consistent across regions so the experience feels predictable. When you're done, use the preview to test every hover and link, check contrast for accessibility, and make small tweaks for clarity. That's it. Your Visme map is now interactive, informative, and ready to engage your audience.